Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is lesson 1.08 and the next example. Example 2. The following table gives the result of a random sample of upper-level students at Rocky Vista University. Yay, the Fighting Prairie Dogs, along with the mosaic plot. So a mosaic plot is essentially a modified segmented bar graph that takes into account the difference between a potential difference between sample sizes. So we could see that the number of seniors who responded is much larger than the number of juniors just from the. For part A, we're asked to calculate the proportion of juniors, so let's think juniors, that are currently working, not working, but have a job, and never had a job. So I'd like you to put the video on hold and perform those calculations. So do your answers match? Great job. Part B, calculate the proportion of seniors. Now we're looking at seniors that are currently working, not working, but have had a job and never have worked. So put the video on hold and perform those calculations. Okay, and you should check your answers again. And now let's answer part C. Write a few sentences summarizing what the display in part A reveals about the association between grade level and job experience for the students in the sample. And not only can we look at the mosaic plot, actually let me try to zoom in so you can see it a little bit better. So let's see, view and zoom, and let's do 150. Whoop, that's too small. Okay, so if we take a closer look, we can look either at the conditional distributions that you calculated in A and B, or you can look at the mosaic plot, and we can see that there's a difference in the height of the segments, which indicates a significant difference in the height of the segments. That's normally considered more than 5%, that there is one variable is affecting another variable, and we can say that there's an association between grade level and employment status. And so here's the words that I used, and once again, this is just an example. It's not the only answer. So based on differences in the conditional distribution, there appears to be an association between class level and job experience. There's a greater percentage of seniors who are currently working or have had a job compared to juniors. So that's just one example that you can use to respond.